Here we consider the law of conservation of the linear momentum, which I will call as LCM. As an example, we select the elastic collision of two identical balls. What is this? We have two identical balls which move toward each other, collides, and after collision they move in opposite direction and they exchange their velocity. So instead of this velocity diagram before collision, after collision we have this velocity diagram. As a consequence, in the case when one of the ball is at rest before collision and second ball moves with some velocity toward it, the collision looks like this. The second ball stops and the first ball moves with the velocity which had the second ball before collision. One of my students, his name was Rob, decided to check LCM experimentally. To do this, he took two tennis balls, we will call them ball 1 and ball 2, put them in kind of channel, and then he hit the ball 1 to collide with ball 2. The latter is at rest. The point of collision is somewhere here, and let's look at what happened. You saw the result. Now we will watch the same experiment in slow motion mode. Be patient. And here we see evidently that the first ball after collision stops approximately at position of collision, and the second ball quickly disappears from the scene. So Rob decided that in this case LCM works very good, but he continued his experimentation, and now he took the same balls at the same position, but now he hit the ball 1 not so strong as in the first case. Let's look. And the same experiment in slow motion mode. And what we see, two balls collide at this position and both move further. Ball 1 stopped at large distance from the point of collision. So here there is an obvious contradiction to the LCM. On the basis of this experiment, Rob claimed that LCM is not valid. In general, it works in some cases and doesn't work in others. And this law should be improved. At this point, I would like to encourage you to reject the claim of Rob. As a hint, I recommend to review the derivation of LCM, focusing on the conditions at which this derivation was done. Along with this, review the concept of elastic collision and how the motion of the balls after such a collision is predicted. Then you can watch the video again, and on the basis of the knowledge which you gained, maybe you will be able to conclude that these two experiments don't contradict to LCM. If you would like to get the answer but don't have time to make calculations, you can watch my analysis of these experiments in the special video, and the link to that video you can find in description to this video. There in description you can also find some links to useful information on the considered topic.